एक जानिया आज है कल फिर उड़ जानिया एक दिन एक पल एक जानिया आज है कल फिर उड़ जानिया उड़ जानिया उड़ जानिया उड़ जानिया.
It's about this young couple that fall in love, decide to live together, and how their lives unfold as a result of that decision and things that happen subsequently.
I can't think of any other Hindi film that has spoken about live-in relationships. It's the first film that's spoken about live-in relationships, and it does it in a very light-hearted way, yet there's a very nice deep layer behind it. So I think it's very well handled.
Finally in a film, we have a couple that's going around, that's kissing, that's going to bed, that's living together, that's having a life, modern, today.
So on the front that it has at least been mentioned, treated, and I think very explicitly and very boldly, openly, and still with a sense of great humor and decency, I think.
It's fun, it's cool. The USP of the music is the film. I think people will really get into the music even more than they have when they watch the film.
आती है वो ऐसे चल के जैसे जन्नत में रहती है देखती है सबको ऐसे जैसे सबको वो सहती है.
My favorite song is My Dil Goes
पर गुस्से में जब आए और आंखें वो दिखलाए लड़ते लड़ते गलती से मुस्काए.
My Dil Goes is my favorite song. I just love it.
My दिल goes my दिल goes
Strong melodies, stuff that you can remember easily, that you can sing along easily to, that young people will enjoy.
Music, brilliant music, absolutely.
Saif and Preeti really make the film come alive. Both of them are, I think, equally superb.
Saif and Preeti first came together in Kalona Ho, and they had very good chemistry there, and they've got even better chemistry here.
Hi Romeo, where's Juliet?
मेरे कमरे में. But don't worry Romeo, तुम्हारी खैर मौजूदगी में हमारे बीच ऐसा वैसा कुछ नहीं होगा.
I don't think he's listening to you. He's checking me out.
My entire territory is noir and underworld and all that. So writing about young, normal, happy people was a little odd for me. But in general, I think Amber's character came fairly interestingly because I've known some firebrand women like that, you know, very impulsive, very passionate, very out there with their feelings, you know, yet a lot of depth.
I think Preeti is very good in the film.
तुम अगर यहाँ होते तो तुम्हें जो चाहो बुलाती. Nick, Nikki, Marlon Brando.
हेलो, तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
I hate late comers. तुम्हारी वजह से मेरा शो वक्त पे शुरू नहीं हुआ.
अरे एक दिन थोड़ा देर से शुरू करती तो क्या होता? 4 इंडियन टैक्सी ड्राइवर्स के अलावा कौन सुनता है तुम्हारा शो?
And it's a very, very, very funny film. I mean, I was laughing and laughing in Javed Jafri's scenes and in so many other scenes. My tears were coming out laughing.
तो फिर मैं इडियट नहीं हूँ. मैं डेंजरस हूँ.
तुम मुझे धमकी दे रहे हो?
नहीं.
Good. क्योंकि I don't like the धमकीज.
मेरा रोल तो रॉक एंड रोल था. अब इंस्पिरेशन बहुत एक सीनियर हमारे एक्टर हैं, वहां से लिया मैंने.
ओके.
रहना है रहो, जाना है जाओ. I don't give a crocodile's ass.
We needed a landlord, and we were struggling with various ways of approaching it. You know, whether to make him this grumpy old man or to make it this inquisitive, gossipy old Indian couple, or whatever. And somewhere along the way, I think we were just joking around, Siddharth, Addy, and myself, and we started talking about whether the guy should be like, you know, Crocodile Dundee. And then we came up with the idea of Crocodile Dundee with a Bihari accent. And one thing just led to another. We wrote this character sketch. It turned out to be quite amusing.
I like Javed Jafri a lot. I thought all his scenes were outstanding.
My favorite scene is the climax because that again is a very difficult film to shoot.
No! Well, Abhishek Bachchan, I think he truly was. In the last, and I mean that, I think the last 20 minutes, the last 10 minutes, he was hysterical.
It's very difficult to maintain that sur that Siddhartha has maintained in the climax. It's not easy to maintain that pitch. It's not easy to keep your actors in that heightened state and yet be emotional about it. It's a very good climax and very, very difficult to shoot, but handled so expertly by Siddharth.
Give me a smile. Give me a smile. One smile. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Siddharth is an absolutely amazing filmmaker, and I really, really loved his work.
I think more than anything else, the film being entertaining, the music being great, the way it's shot, it's cool and hip. I think a director is born. And I think that's evident in every frame of the film.
Excellent. I've worked with him. He was associate on Hum Tum, and I always knew he was very bright and had it in him.
सिद्धार्थ ने बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर बनाई है. Very well done.
Siddharth is a director with a very, very bright future. I think he's going to be around for very long, making very, very good movies. So just wish him all the best.
Sid is a psychopath. It's good fun. Yeah, we had a blast.
I worked with him before, so I can't say it was great working with him. I think he's one of the best directors of today.
छोटी सी प्यारी सी कहानी थी, लेकिन जिस तरीके से इंटरेस्ट को बरकरार रखा, मेंटेन रखा, वो एक ख़ासियत होती है डायरेक्टर की, जो उसने एक अपने एक अंदाज से बिना के किसी का कॉपी किए हुए एक फ्रेश लुक था.
That's impossible. I mean, वो बंद कैसे हो सकता है? Are they allowed to close down? अभी तो सिर्फ 11:15 बजे, पूरी दुनिया को आइसक्रीम खानी है. What if it's an emergency? जिंदगी और मौत का सवाल हो सकता है, और वो बंद करके बैठे.
Very, very enjoyable.
I think commercially, from whatever I understand of the box office, I think it's going to be a super hit because it's entertaining, it's emotional.
I think it's absolutely fabulous. I've laughed and laughed and laughed. It was really, really super fun.
He's the best in the film. He's the best.
Inshallah, बहुत चलेगी.